Hello everybody, in this mini project I'm gonna show you picture upload in CodeIgniter. I'm gonna log in. After login, you can see dashboard, settings, article. This is our database. We have article, subject, description, picture 1, picture 2. Suppose text, description, text, picture, or submit. Picture has been uploaded. This is our controller. In this controller, for file uploading, we have configuration, upload path, alert type, maximum size, maximum width, height, and we will load the library upload with the settings configuration. Finally, we will do upload with the upload library. If success, we will set the path with file name and we will save the path. This is our parameter. First, we have set the empty. If exists, then we are overwriting the file path. This is our form. The form will be form open multi-part and input type file and file name. First one, we set the file type that is not with zip, jpg, png. What happens? That is showing no picture. Picture is not uploaded. If the extension is not zip, jpg or png. The project is in GitHub. You can download from the description box below. Thanks for watching this tutorial.